I was here last year at the Curtiss Mansion, and this year there's a whole new haunt being presented by the Curtiss Mansion themselves. We're going to be heading in there in just a moment, and this year its theme is the Cortez Manor. That's the name of it. So it's the Cortez Manor Haunted House at the Curtiss Mansion. Let me know you're enjoying this video by smashing the like button, and if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe, ring the notification bell, check out the Halloween playlist for more spooky adventures. Okay, I'm gonna try a whole new theme for this haunted house. So I'm gonna do dual screen recording. You're gonna see my POV, and then you're gonna see a shot looking back at me. You're gonna see my reactions as well. So this will be interesting to try out. Let me know if you like this. Leave a comment if you want me to do more haunted houses in this style.
Good evening and welcome to Cortez Manor. My name is Nurse Blackwell, so a few rules before you enter the clinic. Rule number 1, there will be no food or drink inside. There will also be no running of any kind inside of the clinic. There will also be no touching any of the clinical staff or any of their medical instruments. There will also be no recording of any kind inside of the house. There will also be no touching any of the clinical staff, okay?
Okay.
Perfect. There will be strobe lights, loud sounds, and fog machines. Is that okay?
That's great. The more the merrier.
Perfect. Are we clear? The doctor will see you now.
Okay.
Welcome to the Cortez Manor, a wellness center specially manipulated to your excisions. We want your stay to be adequate and unscathed. Therefore, most patients have been locked up for safety locks. But not to worry, our staff is exacted in presenting our finest assets and accommodations. Please, be wary of your surroundings. The doctor will see you now.
I'm going this way? Oh, God. That's good. That was good misdirection. I thought I was going down that hallway. Okay, thanks.
enter.
Oh, this is cool. We're actually outside right now. This year, it's going to be all on the ground floor, but it's cool to go outside as well. Actually got me on that one. Oh, that's creepy. Jeez. Okay, this is creepy. Oh, this is really creepy. Okay. Oh God. Okay, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm gonna grab this one. Blood front over there.
I said get out! Get out!
I'm getting out.
What are you doing here? What do you want?
I'm trying to find my way up.
Won't you shut up? I'm the one talking here. Don't you realize you're on your way to a slaughterhouse? There's this old slaughterhouse. They eat people here.
That's not the right way. I mustn't.
The story about the piggies. You shut up. I'm talking.
I wasn't heading there.
One little piggy went to market. One little piggy stayed home. Another one had roast beef. The other one had none. And the other one, he never came back. So you're not coming back. You're not coming back. Get over here. Where do you think you're going? Get over here. What are you doing? Get over here.
Okay.
Get over here. Get out of here.
Okay.
Come on, I bet it tastes really good. Get out of here. We got some fresh meat here for our cafeteria. Do you want to get fries or do you want to get diced, huh? Move it. Pick one.
It's two different ways?
Dice.
Okay. We'll try this way.
Use the little pieces.
That's cool. There's two different paths over here. The other pathway we'd be going through there. I like that. I like how they give you a choice. That's really cool. What do we have over here? Oh, we're back outside again. Look at this. That's really awesome. Okay, so this is cool. I like how we're going out in the garden area.
It's really rude to be so late. I made you special dinner with all the best ingredients. Right that way!
Okay. There we go. Oh, it's getting wet. Oh wow, let me just get this guy here. Oh my god.
You wanna be my new friend?
Maybe later. She got me good. Let's see what we got here. Oh. Jump scares are good. They're getting me actually. It's not fake. My reactions are real. If you see me jumping, it's real. This guy just got me from behind. I was so focused on this. Okay. Something's gonna happen, I know. Alright. Oh, there's so many. That's awesome. Look at this right here. And then right when I got that, these two guys, it was, whoa, that was like overwhelming. I've never seen that many drops. This is so cool. Whoa. That is awesome. We got a mirror there. I'm up behind me, I know. Are we at the end or there's... Oh, there's something else here. Oh, that is real. I didn't think it was real. I thought it was a statue. And here we are at the outside exit. Another look at this beautiful historic mansion. And then when you come out, got a food truck over here. So you can get something to eat, drink, sit down, relax. That section up there is not being used for the haunt, but I just wanted to show you how cool looking that is. This is Julie, who invited me out here and also gave me my first scare when I was walking in.
Yes, I am Julie. I'm the executive director here at the Curtiss Mansion. And we're, along with the amazing team that we have here, which you're not, you know, which I wish I could introduce to all of you. They did all this work. I'm just lucky to have them here, yep. So thank you. Make sure you come by. Make sure you come to the Cortez Manor at the Curtiss Mansion, Miami Springs.
Hello everybody, I'm Domingo and I'm part of the crew here at the Cortez Manor at the Cortez Mansion in Miami Springs. Come out and have fun. We did a lot of work, we did a lot of panels and a lot of cool things you're gonna see on this video right now, and I hope you like it and I hope you come see us.
Hi, I'm Javier. I am the evil genius behind the Cortez Manor. And this year's theme was 1920s, 1930s sanitarium with our evil Dr. Cortez. And it's been a fantastic year. We've completely converted the Curtiss Mansion into insane haunted attraction. This year's haunt was really, really interesting because we wanted to transform the house to make it look like it was from the 1920s, 1930s. So the first room for me, theme-wise, is amazing. It's incredible. But the Slaughterhouse is it's magic because people are terrified. So it's been really, really fun to see. Especially the security cameras are amazing to catch all the crazy footage behind the scenes. But you definitely got to come and check it out next year because it's going to be completely different.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know by smashing the like button. And if you haven't already, of course, be sure to subscribe, ring the notification bell, come along on other haunts and other adventures here on Fat 1010, the everything channel of SoFlo and beyond. And I will see you again real soon.